Mounting the motherboard memory, we will start with the final version. Today, we will go over how to install the memory correctly. First of all, since there are various types of memory, you need to replace the memory that meets the standard. The memo. When you turn it upside down as shown in the picture, you must be very careful because it does not fit into the main BOA. Once you've aligned it with the home direction, we'll start mounting it. Press the memory latch vertically according to the direction of the memory until it clicks. To remove the installed memory, push the latch back and pull it when one side of the memory comes off. The picture you see is of a picture that was installed incorrectly. It is a common picture of incorrect installation. In this part, the left side is installed normally, but the right side shows the gold finger, and the right latch is tilt. So let's see a picture of it installed. As shown in the picture, you can see the well-mounted part where the entire gold. Did you enjoy watching the video? If you have any questions, please contact us at the number below. If the video was us,